This spacious 4-bedroom, 4.5-bath home offers comfort, functionality, and an unbeatable location within walking distance of Northwest Missouri State University. Featuring a desirable main floor master suite, convenient main floor laundry, and newer carpet on the main level, this home is designed for comfortable, everyday living. The full unfinished basement offers incredible potential and has remained dry under the current ownership, providing peace of mind as you design additional living space, a recreation area, a home gym, or customized storage. Major updates include a roof replaced in October 2024 and a maintenance-free composite deck installed in 2020, perfect for relaxing or entertaining with minimal upkeep. Situated on a desirable corner lot in a quiet neighborhood, this home combines space, thoughtful updates, and an exceptional walk-to-campus location.